Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Balcony Roots channel. Here is the update on another money plant which I had. This one this one was actually growing on inside a glass bottle. Okay, and when there were a lot of roots in that, so I just shifted them onto this pot. But now I'm actually thinking, because this pot, it's a very small plant and I want this pot, so I'm thinking I'm going to shift this into this pot, because this also has money plant, but I want this particular pot to look a little bushy and nice. So what I will do is I'm going to shift this money plant into this place. So there will be one circle, and I can see this money plant is growing very well. You can see how long it has started growing now. Yeah. And what I did in the weekend is, if you see here, I would like to show you this particular small thing which is a common problem with money plants. Okay, this white insect, okay, this particular thing, I hope it's focusing. Yeah, one. Okay, so this white thing that you see, this is actually an insect. This is called mealybug. Most common problem with money plant is this. I can see a small one over here. Okay, what I normally do is, if you are a vivid gardener and you have neem oil spray, best you can go with it. If you don't have, all that you should do is just take it out with your hand, that's all. Okay, plants do need our care, so we need to keep watching them for any such health issues with the plants. So all that I do is, every day when I look at my plants, whenever I see any such insects or pests or anything on that, I just take it out of with my hand, or maybe use a stick or something to just remove it. Here in this place inside, I will just try to remove this one thing over here. Yeah, here there are some more. Okay, I'll just fix this one here. Okay, just take a stick or something, and if you see some, remove that like this. If you ever see such mealybug kind of thing, because removing it is very easy, it really doesn't bother anyone, and remove it and throw it away. If you leave it, then it will increase in number. So quickly work whenever you see such things, such white things here. Yes, these are called mealybugs. Once they start coming, they will keep increasing, so you have to just remove it. That's all you have to do. Okay, because once they affect your plants, they will it comes very easily on money plant, and once it affects the money plant, then because we have a small garden, it will affect every other plant that we have. So this is what I do. Once in a week I also do neem oil spray. So I will surely share sometime when I again do the neem oil spray. I will show you the method I use that. So as of now, that's all I have done, and my plant is now clean. That's it. If you have an option to spray a lot of water, you can always do that. Just forcefully spray some water, and that will also clean up these bugs actually. So that's it for now. I wish you all a very happy gardening, and request you all to like, share and subscribe to my channel Balcony Roots. Happy gardening. Bye bye.